Beylikdüzü, for those who doesn't know Beylikdüzü, it is a family district with wide streets which is located next to the Marmara Sea. Hello from Beylikdüzü side, Istanbul European part, and especially Yaşam Marina compound, which consisting of 320 apartments, which will be delivered in the middle of the 2024, which is close to Marmara Sea, which is next to transportation, hospitals, international schools, universities, shopping malls. This compound is consisting of 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom and 5 bedrooms with very wide square meters. It is a family concept project. It is suitable for Turkish citizenship. 1,000 over square meters. Comparing to the number of the units is 300, which is 320 apartments. Actually, the green area represents 70%. The social facilities for this project is separated for men and for women. In terms of the gym, fitness centers, swimming pools, there is security, there is car parkings for each apartment, more than one car parking space. It is really a good district to bring your family and stay in this compound. Payment plan is 50% and installment up to 24 months in terms of US dollar. An idea about the prices of this project: 2 bedroom example starting from 250 to 140,000 US dollar. This price is for the moment's price. It is not the price for the future, because once the project is approaching to the delivery date, also the prices are going up and up. To know more about this project and next projects, don't be hesitant to contact us.